Big messes can come in small packages, but fortunately, so does big cleaning. Introducing the Ryobi One Plus HP Advanced Stick Vacuum, our quietest and most powerful stick vacuum, delivering ultimate cleaning and unmatched maneuverability, all powered by One Plus batteries. Pet rated for fur and hair pickup. It features a wrap defense roller bar that minimizes hair wrap up to 9 inches long. The One Plus HP Intelligent Brushless Motor offers powerful cyclonic suction with HEPA filtration and multiple cleaning accessories for every mess. Floor to ceiling cleaning is easier than ever because we know your furry friend can be a big part of the family. The Ryobi One Plus HP Advanced Stick Vacuum, part of the One Plus system, exclusively at the Home Depot.